Hello everyone, my name is Shrey Bansal. I'm a second year games art student here at Norwich Institute of the Arts. I previously studied STEM subjects, physics major to be on point. I lived in US for a while and previously lived in New Delhi. I know that Diwali is right around the corner, so I would love to show you a sweet that I usually indulge in or make to celebrate this festival. Diwali is Festival of Lights. It marks our Lord Ram coming back to hometown, and in celebration of that, villagers lit up their houses and streets with candles and diyas. And from that point forwards, each year, every person that celebrates Diwali clean up their households, decorate them with candles, and celebrate it via gifting each other gifts and celebrating it by also eating sweets. So here we are picking up gram flour from Orient Express and almonds and pistachios from Rainbow Wholefoods. So these ingredients are for a really popular traditional sweet called Ladoo, and it's really easy to make at your own home. Here it is all prepped up, and if you want to try the recipe yourself, it's all in the description. Happy Diwali!